In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clustered bar chart with multiple data points in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table, which I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to create a bar chart with this data. To do this, select a cell that is outside the data table. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on the bar chart icon. Let's select the first one. You can see an empty chart window has appeared. Let's move the chart window a bit so that we can get a better view of the data table. Right-click on the empty chart. From the pop-up menu, click on Select Data. A data source window should appear on your display. From the Legend Entries section, click on Add. Your series name will be the name of your data column header. So, my first series name will be Dodge. Now delete the existing series value and add the values of the Dodge column by dragging them. Click on OK. Click on Add again. My second series name is Ford. Delete the existing series value and select the values for the Ford column. Repeat the process for the Toyota and Honda columns. Our first legend entries are finished, but the horizontal labels are in numbers. We need to add the type of cars in place of these numbers. To do this, in the horizontal section, click on Edit. Now select the car types and click on OK. Click on OK again. Our bar chart is ready with our data, but it can be a bit modified. In the top left corner, click on Add Chart Elements. From here, you can add many elements to your chart, such as axis, axis title, chart title, but the most important one is legend. With this, you can name your lines for better understanding. You can add legend names to the right, top, left, or bottom. I will select the bottom one. If you want to add the table title as the chart title, click anywhere in the chart. This will open a new menu called Chart Design. In this menu, click on Add Chart Elements. From the drop-down menu, click on Add Chart Title. You can add the title above the chart or into the chart. Now copy the table title and paste it in here. Here, our bar chart with multiple data points is complete.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.